What's up, guys? Guess what today is? It is van tour day. I've been meaning to do this video for a while and we're finally gonna get to it. I'm pretty excited about it. Little disclaimer, the van is a little messy, but that's what happens when you're traveling with two children and it's a very small space. Alright, so let's get to it. As soon as I clicked that record button, it started raining out here. I don't know if you can tell, but it is very cold. I will try to continue this video. Oh my gosh, it's cold rain. Ugh. Okay, so for now, I have my trash right there. Very appealing, isn't it? Anyways, so you would enter through this door, which is the side door. And I have this mat, and it is covered in dirt and sand, and that's where we leave our shoes, because I don't want those shoes on my beautiful floor. Alright, so when you walk in, here's the floor and the rug. There's my beautiful girl. Hi, Fiona. This is the main area, I guess you would say. Then right here, I have Levi. Hi, Levi.
I'm a Julia monster.
I usually have this tapestry hanging on the seat behind them because of, sorry. Go. Oh, the mess I made with the insulation.
I'm stuck.
So, yeah, but this is where their seats are. He has his booster and Fiona has a car seat. So, yeah, and we also have lights here. And under their seats, in this one, I have her changing pad, her wet wipes, more wet wipes, diaper rash ointment, and then some random toys and stuff that she likes. So that's easily accessible. And under this one, we have all her diapers. Lots and lots of diapers. Oh, if I could get that back in there. Oh my goodness. It's kind of a mess in here. Okay. Anyways, and last basket I have here is Levi's toys. And he has some books in here as well. And games. He has some random things in here. You gonna play with one of those? Yeah. Okay. So that's pretty easily accessible for him too. I do have solar panel and yeah, I have a solar panel, and so here is the charger, leads back to where all that stuff is hooked up. And behind here, I have our laundry bag. So you can see that laundry bag. Yep, out of sight, out of mind, alright? Okay, so I think that's it for the first section of our van. It's the sitting area, kid area. I don't know what you'd call it, but that's that. Okay, so moving on is the kitchen area. Very beautiful. Alright, so we have our soap here. Right here's our soap and our sink, which is filthy right now with tea leaves, and that is my tea, which is now empty. We have our water bottles, a nice plant, and some shells we got from the beach here in Florida. And Levi's munching on some Cheerios right now, so those are out. And of course I got a picture of my beautiful babies. This is one of my favorite pictures of them. yeah, I love the window we have here and the curtains. I don't know, it's so eye pleasing, whatever you call that, appealing. I don't know. Anyways, moving on. I've got this little decoration here as well, and then in here is our water. So right now we have about 4 gallons left in this tank. It can hold up to 6 gallons. I have one of our fry pans just kind of right there, kind of random. So this is what the whole cabinet looks like. And down here is where we can have more water. This one holds up to 5 gallons. We actually used all this up. We ran out of it this morning, so yeah. And then in here is our portable stove. Comes in handy. So we can cook on the road. Excuse me, sir. And I do have some extra cans of butane for the stove. Alright. What's up? Hey. Now what is under here, you might ask? Well, I'll show you. Dun, 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 dun. Food. Food. More food. We have lots of food under here. So there's our pots and dishes and stuff like that in that bag. Here's our cutting board. There's one of the cans. Then we have just random food in here. We have rice, potatoes, rice, my tea. Whoa! Peanut butter and jelly, oil. Here's some oats. My Takis, because I'm obsessed. And then we have pastas. Hey. What's up? Pastas for days. She's over it. Okay, what else? Canned stuff. There's a lot of canned stuff going on back there. What is this? Beans, for example, corn, whatever, vegetables. And then in here is other kitchen stuff like tinfoil, bags, an apple cutter, measuring cups, sporks, knives, just anything I would need really. I have a spoon in there for cooking. And that's it for the food stuff. Lots of food. On the other side of the curtain, if I can do this, let's see. We have toiletries. So all my toiletries are in here, Levi's as well. And then our hairbrush. And then I got a bullet blender back there, which I really want to use, but I don't know if I can, because I don't know if my solar panel has enough power for that. Not sure. But anyways. Do you want a smoothie too? I love smoothies. Yeah. Uh-huh. We have a fan here in case it gets hot, which in Florida it sure does. It's humid. And I have a second fan behind there for when it gets extra hot. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, it's, even though it's raining right now outside, it's still super humid. Yes, it is. Whoa. Behind
Look
here.
at rain on Fiona's window.
Oh yeah, it's quite rainy out there, huh? Behind here I have trash. I have grocery bags that I keep for when we go shopping, so I could just use those as trash bags. Hence that. Anyways, and that is it for the kitchen area. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So for back here, we've got the bed and other random stuff. Sorry the bed isn't made very well today. So yeah, we usually put our heads over here, and I've got AC, and oop, if you can see it, AC coming up through here too. And then this is one of the switches for the lights. So you just press it, and voila. I've got more pillows, lots of blankets that I didn't care to fold. Fiona! She does not like being alone. If she's not being held, that counts as being alone. Real quick, I'll show you under here as well. I use these to block out the windows at night. These are our clothes. I have two of these bags. The other one is behind this one. And then we've got our, oh, there's a camping chair. And then we've got our power. So this is what's going up to the front. And there's that. And the battery, which I built this little like box around it so it doesn't go like falling or anything like that. But yeah, another cool perk of this bed is that I put hinges on this end, so then this part can lift up and I could easily access the battery if I needed to. Hey! Hi! Look, I'm holding you! Isn't that nice? She's coming with us on the rest of this tour, which all I have to show you, I believe, is the front, which isn't that exciting, but we're gonna do it anyways. Alright, so here on the passenger side, I have Levi's creeper, Fiona's pillow, my bag, which there's a lot of stuff in my bag. Sunscreen did not work for my shoulders, but I tried. Here, you won't believe it, but there's more food in here. I know. Banana, here's one of his games. Just kind of randomly there. My hand sanitizer, a table to use, my hat, Levi's hat. I'm gonna get in on the other side because it's raining again.
I was going to say now, I have a pee.
Oh goodness. Okay, well you gotta put your shoes on and then you can go pee out there. Okay, last part of the tour. I'm now in the driver's seat and this is my beautiful steering wheel cover. There's not much up here. Oh, I've got this for my phone. You know what I have? My travel buddy Stefan. One of my friends gave this to me, and I don't know what species he is, but he loves spinach, and he brought his own camera. He's a great travel buddy. And yeah, I've got my first aid kit in there, as well as jumper cables, napkins, just random stuff. There's that table, and here's my van. So I think that wraps up our van tour. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any questions. It's pretty rough traveling with kids. The van gets messy almost all the time. I actually cleaned it just for this video, and it wasn't even that clean. So, you know, I'm a single mom with 2 cutie pies, and I'm just having fun traveling, and if I can do it, anyone can, but it's not easy. I'll be real with you on that. There's a lot of bad days, but there's also some good days too. Yeah. Now, I don't have a toilet in here, but I highly recommend that if you're thinking about van life with kids, because the amount of times Levi has had to go pee. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful day. Alright, bye! You say bye-bye.